This is the instructional video guide on how to replace the atomization core in your scent diffuser. By following these clear steps, you'll be able to complete the replacement smoothly. Let's begin. To start, make sure your diffuser is unplugged from the power outlet. Remove the top part of the diffuser from the bottom base to reveal the fragrance oil bottle. Using a thin screwdriver, insert it into the fragrance dispensing hole and gently lift off the top cover. This step allows you to reach the atomization core. Employ a standard star screwdriver to unscrew the 3 screws that secure the cover for the atomization core. Once unscrewed, carefully remove the cover to reveal the core. Inside, you'll find 3 additional screws that need to be unscrewed. Doing so will enable you to pull out the inner part of the atomizer from the aluminum casing. Utilize pliers to gently detach the nozzle from the old atomization core. Also, check for and remove any plastic seal that may be present. Now, take the new atomization core and place it securely into the aluminum casing. Ensure a proper fit. Use the star screwdriver to tightly secure it in place. Reattach the atomization core cover using the 3 screws. Employ the star screwdriver to ensure a snug fit by tightening the screws. Place the aluminum cover back onto the top of the device and press down firmly to ensure proper alignment. Then, reattach the nozzle and pipe, ensuring they are securely positioned. It is important to double-check that the nozzle is securely in place. Next, screw the fragrance bottle back into the device, ensuring it is firmly secured. Finally, reinsert the diffuser head back into the device and tighten in clockwise. You've now successfully replaced the atomization core in your diffuser. We appreciate your attention to detail. If you have any further questions or require assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us.